Hi, I'm Frank Summerjay, a Senior Product Marketing Manager with Trustworthy Computing here at Microsoft. With me today is Tim Raines, a Director of Trustworthy Computing and the host of the Cloud Fundamentals video series. Thanks for joining me for the wrap-up, Tim.
My pleasure, Frank. Great to be here.
I've had the chance to watch all the videos. Tell me, how do you think the video series worked out?
Well, Frank, the original goal of the video series was to discuss challenges and themes that are top of mind for customers around cloud security, privacy, and reliability. We talked to people doing security work both in cloud services at Microsoft and industry folks as well. It turned out to be an effective combination covering the hot topics I know customers are interested in.
Tim, can you tell me about the industry experts you spoke to?
One of the topics that's of high interest for a lot of customers is industry collaboration.
I think that the collaboration between industry is important, but collaboration with standards organizations, collaboration with government agencies, and collaboration with user groups is also very important.
I noticed a trend you covered, security, privacy, and reliability. Can you tell me a little bit about the security videos?
We talked with a lot of experts here at Microsoft that are actually responsible for managing the security of really large-scale cloud operations.
With cloud computing, physical security is one of those controls that is always provided by the cloud provider. At Microsoft, at our data centers, we provide increasing levels of physical security from the outside perimeter in closer to the assets.
Right now, we are continuing to see the work that Microsoft has contributed to the CSA and their working groups that have resulted in best practices and guidelines continue to be observed and used in the working groups throughout many standards organizations, as well as some of the other groups in the world that are looking at best practices and guidelines.
The other two topics, privacy and reliability, there were several videos on that also.
Yes, we spoke to Brendan Lynch, who is Microsoft's Chief Privacy Officer, and also had David Bills, Microsoft's Chief Reliability Strategist, come on camera a couple of times and talk about different aspects of privacy and reliability.
Yeah, I think in cloud computing, it's very important that organizations can make informed decisions about risks or concerns as it relates to information that's going to be used in these services. So it's very important for there to be a two-way dialogue, for the organization to clearly state what their expectations and needs are, and for the cloud service provider to be able to, in return, say, lay out here are the practices around data management and use, so that the organizations can make an informed decision.
It's not a question of whether an incident will occur, it's strictly a matter of when. So what we want our customers to think about and really develop a thorough understanding of is how their service provider is going to respond to that issue, right? And they range across the spectrum. You've got regularly recurring types of issues, network link saturation, device failure, mistakes made by administrators when they're configuring devices, and yet you want to make sure that the service is capable of detecting those and responding in an automated and unattended fashion.
I see towards the end you spoke with Scott Charney.
You bet. Scott Charney is our Corporate Vice President of Trustworthy Computing here at Microsoft. He came on camera and gave us a big picture view.
I really think we're at an inflection point. We're changing our relationships with computers. We started with PCs that were local desktops, and then we went to server client models. But now we're talking about this massive computing power and aggregation of data in the cloud. And some of the issues are really extensions of existing computing paradigm. So, for example, if you're thinking about moving your data to the cloud, to some extent you're outsourcing your computing capability, and you have to think about the capability of the outsourcer, and that's not particularly new. But the cloud also offers this amazing ability to aggregate, analyze, and disseminate data at far greater scale than ever before.
Tim, where can people get more information about the videos?
We have a new section on our website just for cloud content, so you can see all of these videos at microsoft.com/TWC.
I'd like to thank you on behalf of myself and the viewers. The videos were extremely informative. What a fantastic series.
Thanks, Frank. I want to thank all the people that were in the videos with me and all the people I didn't get to mention by name. In total, we did 26 videos, so I want to thank all the people that helped us with these videos. Of course, I want to thank all the viewers that have sent us emails and feedback on our blog as well. It's been a lot of fun.